What's up, y'all? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a good day. Hey, listen, I'm going to come back for another episode, I guess, of what I'm calling Real Talk. It's just where I'm going to turn on the camera and we're just going to have a conversation. And I've got a little something I want to talk about today. So, again, this is just really different from what I normally do. I'm going to try to do this without any takes. Again, not taking out any of the ums and ahs. I just want to be real. Again, want to talk to you guys how I would normally talk so you can see the real me. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. And I guess what I'm going to talk about today is probably something that I probably shouldn't be talking about. It's probably going to get me some backlash. It's probably going to get me some comments that I may not like. But it's something that is weighing heavy on me, and I just want to bring it to your attention and talk about it. And I'd love to hear from you as to what you think and how you view what I'm about to talk about. What does it mean to you? And just kind of get your thoughts. I started a YouTube channel roughly 2 years ago, and I was just like you. I was a DIYer. I never thought I would be a YouTuber. Matter of fact, I probably don't consider myself a YouTuber. I mean, I know I put out videos and content and stuff like that, but I mean, I'm not like some of the other guys like Ryan Knorr and Pete and the Lawn Care Nut and guys like that. Like, I don't consider myself a YouTuber, but I know I am. And what I want to talk about today is I got a comment, or I've gotten several comments about us YouTubers getting things for free and peddling product, right? Like selling product just to make money. And again, as I mentioned, this could get me a lot of backlash for bringing this up. So I'm honestly a little bit nervous about even talking about it. It's kind of the unwritten thing, right? Like, you're not supposed to talk about it. Well, it kind of rubs me the wrong way when someone says that I only push product to you guys because I get it for free. And I can understand, as someone who recently, as of 2 years ago, was on the other side. I was just like you. I had no contacts with these vendors, these manufacturers like Flowzone and Anderson's and Pete and Allen with Yard Mastery. I was a fan just like you. I bought every bit of fertilizer that I ever had, and I got my lawn to where it is today without anything being free. And when you think that I personally, and I don't speak for any other YouTuber out there, this is my own thoughts. These are my own opinions. Again, I'm not going to put words and speak for somebody else. But there is no way that I would ever stake my reputation as a person, especially on the internet, where someone would think I would be peddling or pushing a product just to get you to buy it. Now, could that be true with other channels? Sure. I'm not. I don't want to focus on that. I want to focus on me and how I view my relationship with my viewers and my subscribers. And my opinion, my thoughts on products, whether it's Flowzone or the Andersons or GCI Turf, are of my own. They're through my own experiences. Again, I'm not a professional. I don't know everything there is to know about turf, about fertilizer, about fungicides. I just look at my lawn and I say, Pete made a video where he shows a picture of his hands and he says, "This is my resume." Well, my resume is my lawn, right? Like, do I know how every single fertilizer works? Or no, I don't. But I know that they work. And I feel like, as a person with a platform, I want to share my thoughts and my opinions on products with you. And I'm not here to sell you anything. That defeats the whole purpose, because I want to stake my reputation on certain products. But the other thing that you're really not supposed to talk about is some of the costs associated with producing YouTube videos. And from paying for music licenses and cameras and microphones, it gets really expensive. And I don't know that people think about the costs associated with what it costs to produce a channel. And sure, vendors reach out all the time, actually, about trying to give me free stuff. And I will not, my promise to you as a subscriber or someone who watches my channel is I will never, ever peddle or push a product that I have not used or believe in, period. I won't do it. My reputation means too much to me as a person to do something like that. And when I get comments, and I know everybody, the comment section, you got to take it with a grain of salt. That's something else I learned very quickly about this whole YouTube world is you better have some thick skin, because there's all kinds of people, and the way they take things or they view things. And if you feel like YouTubers are peddling product, then by all means, don't watch their channel, don't support them. But just like commercials or anything that you watch on TV, like they're trying to sell you stuff. And sure, if Anderson's wants to give me a bag of fertilizer and I'm going to get a small commission off of, recommending their product to you, and then you go and buy it, and then I don't think there's anything wrong with that. About to get stung by a frickin' bee. So anyway, I really just want to say I want to make that promise to you that I will never push a product that I have never used myself, that I've always used them myself. I know that they're going to perform, and I'm going to stake my reputation as a person on that. So I'd love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on the subject about YouTubers, pushing product, or given product to use for free in a video, YouTubers making money, just kind of all that stuff. I mean, let's open up the bag. So, hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. My name's Devin. I'm the DIY Lawn Coach. Peace.